Welcome back to Professor Grampy's Garage. Wanted to give you an update on the 21 window bus. I got this on the second blocking at 120 right now, and it's going to need another prime, and then blocking with 180, and then this part of the truck is pretty much ready to go. A couple of low spots, nothing major, but as you can remember, I had to cut a piece out here and a piece out of the nose and put new metal in and did the body work, and so I got the two doors and the nose pretty much ready for another prime, blocking, and then ready for paint. So that's an update on the 65 Volkswagen split window. Thanks a lot for joining in. We'll talk to you soon.